Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's here. All right, let's see this. The unveiling. I need a new banner for my business. I've been in business for a while now, and I have owned several banners for my business, but I've also gone through a few business name changes. And now that Cale and I are in the market scene again, we need a new banner because we don't have one for our new company name, which is Quench Bear. So in this video, I'm going to talk about that whole process, show you how I get this new banner, how I design it, all the choices that I make, and why I made them. So if you're interested in seeing all of that and then seeing the results, then keep watching. The printing company that we're going with is Vistaprint, and I've always gone with Vistaprint for all of my business banner needs and also my business card needs. I just find that the prices and the quality of their products are exceptional, and they always ship really, really fast, so I can count on my stuff getting here pretty quick. But what I also really like about Vistaprint is that they throw out these 40% off codes, 30% off codes all the time, so I get to continue to save money on the business things that I need to get printed, which is awesome. But before I begin, I wanted to show you some examples of my old banners. Here's an example of what our banner looked like when we were the Basset Soapery, and then here it is when we were Quench. And through purchasing those different banners, I was able to fine-tune exactly what I needed this time around. So the purpose of purchasing a banner is to be able to get your customers' attention from far away. And I know I've talked about doing that through your table display by using risers or by even placing products strategically in certain parts of the table. But what a banner does that none of that is able to do is to really scream at someone who's super far away exactly what you're selling. So there are a few key pieces of information and images you want to put on that banner. So in that 0.2 seconds of attention you have from customers passing by, it gets communicated to them what's on your table and who you are as a business. I think it's pretty obvious that you want your business name on your banner, and I like to position that right dab smack in the center. That is the place where somebody's eye is most likely to land, and off of a glance they know exactly who you are. And in addition to that, if you have a logo, then that is also a great place to put your logo. And I would also put any phrases or words that you have used in the marketing of your products in that banner as well. Cale and I earlier this year have decided to officially trademark the term hemplified, and we really like that made up word because it shows that we use hemp seed oil in our products. So that is a word that I definitely wanted to make sure was on our banner. And just a quick tip, if you do have any filed trademarks on any phrases or on your company name, be sure to put that little TM symbol near that word or by that word so that anyone who sees that knows that you are the owner of that trademark, or at least that that word has been trademarked and they are not supposed to use it in their own products or marketing. The next thing you absolutely want to put on your banner are pictures of your products, and you want to put the best pictures you possibly can on your banner. My products are all about color and glitter, so I definitely wanted to highlight that in my banner, but I also wanted to show some key products that my business is known for. Earlier this year, my business launched our signature bath bears, and I wanted to make sure that that was on our banner. And that little guy on there, I think would cause a lot of people to stop and turn and then kind of think to themselves, what is that? What am I looking at? And in addition to that, of course, my company makes gorgeous, beautiful, bright soaps, and I wanted that to be on my banner as well. And I wanted to make sure that my signature swirly tops are highlighted, so I wanted a picture of that as well. And since we moved to these really cute box sleeves for our soaps, I wanted that also to be on our banner. So with all these ideas in my head, I went over to Illustrator to put all these elements together into a cohesive banner. And when it comes to banner design, I really highly suggest that you use design software like Photoshop or Illustrator, and that way you can get a really good quality image that you can upload to Vistaprint and thus get a high quality banner. Lower quality images could result in blurred font or blurred pictures, and you really want to come off as a professional business, so the sharper everything looks on your banner, the better. I knew from experience that I wanted my banner to at least be 8 feet long and have a width of 2 feet. That way I could stretch it along the back of my tent when I'm vending outside, and it's big enough to get the attention of people walking by. So with those dimensions in mind, I created a canvas in Illustrator that were those dimensions. The cool thing about Illustrator is that you can plug in your high quality .png files and change the sizes of them, and it won't compromise the quality of that image. So if you're using a really high quality picture that you took from a DSLR camera, that quality will translate to that banner once that picture is blown up. So I highly recommend using very high quality pictures when designing your banner. So when it comes to printing from Vistaprint, I usually wait around for some sort of coupon code or sale, but in this case, we really needed a banner and I had waited too long and there were no coupon codes or sales that I could use, so I paid for this full price. But even paying full price, I still think that this is a reasonable price to pay for a banner of this size. Then it prompts me to choose my size, and I knew I wanted the 8 foot by 2 foot size. And then it asks you whether or not you want grommets, and those are the little holes that are in your banner so that you can put whatever type of string or hook or structure you want to use to hang up your banner. I always make sure to select that when I'm creating a banner in Vistaprint. It's really super handy to have those, so I recommend that to you guys too. And then it asks you to upload your image file to Vistaprint. Now, this file is going to be a pretty big file. Remember, it's an 8 foot by 2 foot image, not only in reality for this banner, but saved in your computer. So it's pretty big, and it took me a while for my computer to be able to upload it to the site. So if it's taking a long time, don't worry, that's normal. It's because your image is super huge, and the better quality that image is, the longer it's going to take. So don't panic, upload it, grab a cup of coffee or have some lunch or watch a movie or something and come back to it later. And once it's uploaded, you're going to see these safety lines, and everything within these lines is what's going to be safely printed on your banner. So if any of your font bleeds past this, then you need to go back and make sure that you either lift it up or down, or make sure everything that is important to your banner is within these lines. And for me, that has happened a few times where the image that I uploaded, the very bottom of the letters went past that, and you really don't want to risk sending this image to Vistaprint because they're pretty much warning you, are you sure you want to print this? This might not make it on your banner. So if any of your stuff is past this line, take the time to go back and adjust and then re-upload, even if it takes another half hour, which is what I had to do. But once everything is on there, it lets you review everything and confirm that what you're seeing is okay with you. And if anything at all looks not okay, go back and adjust it, because that is your time to fix anything that might be bothering you before you get this thing printed. And once my purchase was confirmed, it took Vistaprint a couple days to send it to my home, and it actually came in time for my next market, which is awesome. The timing was perfect. So here's footage of me opening that package and reviewing the product that I got. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's here. How heavy is it?
It's not bad.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Nice. I think these are more postcards. Here are business cards. And this is our banner. All right, let's see this. The unveiling. Oh. Whoa.
Just in time.
Whoa.
I can't hold it.
It's too wide.
Oh. I don't have the wingspan of a pterodactyl.
Wow. Okay, that's very eye-catching. Oh, are you gonna wear it? I'm just gonna wear it. Wow. Awesome. Wow. Look at how crisp the lines are. And this is why doing this banner in Illustrator is important, because when you blow up a picture to this size, we don't have the pixelization that you would get. So that is just really, really nice.
You're right about that. I haven't seen it close, and I'm just holding it, but I'm looking through here, and it's like, that's so much detail on the soap.
So let's hold up like the one side, and I'll show the sections. See, that looks like a photograph. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. And look at our path there. He's just looking at us.
We're out of those right now. We're out of the lazy bears.
Yeah, we gotta make more of those. And then see the other side. And for those worried, this is a very sturdy banner. And there's the other side showing our products. Gorgeous. Love it. Love it. And there's the middle. And yes, we do have this term trademarked. I've gotten some questions about this little symbol here. We have paperwork filed. This is our term, and so is our business name. Wow. So happy with it. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I like it. I like the color.
Are you excited to use it tomorrow?
I like the detail.
Are you excited to use it tomorrow?
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is I want you to take footage of you using it tomorrow.
Okay.
Could you do that for me?
I will send that to you.
You're gonna take the reins as a
And
YouTuber?
I will make sure to do it as landscape to you.
Okay.
There's so many videos that I've sent Jerica, and it's like, you sent it in portrait.
I love this man, but he cannot take direction. Do you like it, Dempsey? I think she's indifferent. Gibson's bored.
Dempsey wants the one that says Bassett Soap Barista.
Let's open up these guys. We're here. So let's show you this pile of stuff, starting with our business cards. And it's good that we have these for tomorrow's market because the last few markets Cale has been to, so many people asked for business cards and we didn't have any. Yeah. We made some really cheap ones, but these are from Vistaprint. So let's open this up. Oh, there's stickers on the other side too. Wow. Here is our beautiful business card. I'm covering up the number on there, but I guess it's, if you really wanted to find out our business number, you can. But how do you like this?
I like it.
Nice and glossy. Oh, the finish is really glossy, which I like. It's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna show you the other one. I like that it comes in a carrying case because then you can bring it to the markets in this case.
Yeah, this is gonna be gone by like tomorrow.
No, it won't. There's like 100.
We need more.
We usually
buy like 5
I
of
really
these at a time.
don't think we're gonna get rid of all of them. Anyways, here are the postcards, and this is the little thank you card that we add into our orders. Here's the beautiful card. Just kidding, this is the blank one. Here you go. This is our gorgeous thank you cards that I designed in, I think it was, yeah, Illustrator. We're gonna add these to every box moving forward. Is that nice?
These may not fit in every box though.
What do you mean?
Like,
no way.
what is this, 5 inches wide? We have some boxes that are 3 inches wide, some that are 4 inches wide. This is really big.
If that's the case, then you can just fold it. It's okay.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
Okay. So this is not even the amount of space up here to up here.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. Like, look how much space. If I cut that, you'd be an 8. You'd be.
Next time you design them and get them printed at.
Okay, just don't get mad at me when I cut cards like that and they're uneven.
This is pretty straight. Cale used to cut things like the edge of the card would be here and there would be this much white space over there.
You are exaggerating so much.
No.
It might be like a
bad.
millimeter difference on either side.
He's being critical because there is maybe a half a centimeter up here and a full centimeter down here.
Critical is the wrong word. I'm just being even.
We're gonna use all these up, and then once these are all gone, then you're gonna go and design and send them off to Vistaprint to print. I'm really excited that we got these, and they came just in time. I'm so excited because I really do think that that banner is gonna make people stop and come to our booth way more effectively than anything else we have on our table. And Cale will take you guys with him and show how it looks, and he's gonna show you how the business cards look. Do you have something to put the business cards in?
Nope. I just shoved them underneath the risers.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But we're gonna insert that footage right here.
Good morning, everybody. We are coming to you from the Makers and Farmers Market at C-Space in lovely Calgary, Alberta, in the Martel Loop neighborhood section of the city. And our setup is coming along. We feel a lot more complete now with this fantastic banner that we were showing you yesterday. Looks like I need to fix that a little bit. It's a little wonky. I need to even that out. Last few weeks as we've been here, got a lot of inquiries about business cards, and we had some cheap ones printed out on some. And now we got some legitimate business cards here that kind of match our banner behind us. Now we're rolling with the big folk. And in addition to our business cards, we have these thank you cards that we're going to put in our mailing packages, but we also have these put into bags when people make purchases to give to them. I couldn't figure out why this was wonky. I was tying it up to the same height of corners. Then I realized when I was setting up my tent that that's on the first setting there on this side. And I've since moved this up, but this is now, I usually put it on a third setting. You can see third setting over there. So apparently what I had was this side was on the third setting for the tent, and this side was only on the first setting, and that's why I was wonky. Now it has since been corrected. So here is our end of day product shoot to show how much we sold. So we sold a few different scents of shampoo bars, a conditioner bar or two. Didn't sell any masks. I sold the serum in the middle of the day over here. We only had one rustic soap. It's gone. Soap itself was an okay seller, not fantastic, but we did sell a lot of wood candles. I don't know if we'll have the full shot somewhere on there, but we sold a lot of candles. We sold some sugar scrubs. We sold a lot of these little mini body butters. People loved these, so I think we'll be making more of those in different scents. We like the small batch there. Sold a lot of lip balms. I sold out of the Georgian Bay berry blend that was up here in the corner. Have one peaches and cream left, but sold a lot of pumpkin pie and sold a lot of grape, actually, lip balm. And we make it over here to the bath bears. You can see all we have left is one bath bear of each scent. And earlier today, I actually had more of each scent in the storage container. And I was kind of putting those out there as the day went on. So just got an update on how that went. Regular bath bombs did just okay. People didn't really like the rosemary mint or the lavender. I did sell a lot of raspberry vanilla, and some Georgian Bay was pretty good. A couple lemon shandy, and the waffles also did well.
What Cale didn't mention was that we managed to double our sales this market from last weekend's market. I asked him his opinion on whether or not he thought the banner was a factor, and he absolutely thought it was. A lot of people looked at that banner and they seemed to stop in based on what they saw. Cale also got lots of compliments on it from both customers and fellow vendors. So if you're thinking of vending in person, it's totally worth the investment to create a banner. At the very least, it drums up curiosity for your booth, but what we've seen is a big increase in sales. So that is it. If you guys liked our banner, or even if you guys hate our banner, please let us know in the comments. But if you liked everything that I've gotten from Vistaprint, give us a huge thumbs up. If you like this content or learned something, then subscribe for more videos, because we have a lot coming for the next couple of weeks as we move into fall and then Christmas time. Some Christmas content is coming, and spooky content too. It's almost October.
Yeah.
If you want help with recipes on how to make soaps and other things, all of that is on our Patreon. And speaking of our Patreon, thank you to our patrons. You guys are just so amazing, especially these guys over here, my Bubble BFFs. Thank you for your support and your generosity. I appreciate each and every one of you. Is that Jiggy playing with the box?
Jiggy's playing with the
Jiggy.
Jiggy.
We'll take that away in a bit so she doesn't hurt herself, but...
Jiggy.
So that is it. Cale and I still have to prepare for this market, so we are gonna wrap this up and wrap up a bunch of soaps and bath bombs. And until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and keep making beautiful, amazing things like banners for your business that you can show at events and farmers markets. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.